Oh, this is a nice setup. Twin turbo. Wow, I love to see this car move.